Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're outside getting ready to plant this. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's supposed to be a pecan tree root. Now, pecan trees grow very well around here, and this particular one was found by a friend. They were outside doing some landscaping, and this pecan tree was trying to grow in between one of these cabbage palms. So they went ahead and pulled it out, and supposedly we are supposed to be able to start a pecan tree with it. So we're going to give it a try. Now, in Georgia, the pecan trees produce male and female flowers on the same tree. The male flowers are called cadens, and the females are called nut clusters. The trees around here are typically susceptible to pecan scab fungus, except for one variety, or cultivar variety, that's found not too far from our house in a place called Blackshear. It's called the Excel cultivar variety. There's actually over 15 types of pecan tree cultivars that grow in the area. So I have no idea what this one is, but Michael said that if I take it outside and plant it in some really wet dirt, that it should grow. So we're going to go ahead and try that. I'm using some back-toe soil, and we'll see if that works. I got to show you this too. Look at this cat. That's Buddy. Buddy, why are you laying in the garden bed? Buddy. Buddy. I love you, Buddy. You really shouldn't be in the garden bed, though. And this is Journey. Isn't she pretty? She's chilling on the lawn chair. Oh, and look, our mums are trying to make a comeback. They're not doing so hot, but they're trying. We've got some more peppers to pick. Our tomatoes are doing well. And those little veggies that Michael and Trinity planted a while back, you can catch that on one of our cool crop videos. It's actually November now, early November, and our garden is still growing because it is still warm here. It's in the 70s and 80s, so we can pretty much grow year-round. I believe, off the top of my head, our zone is like 8A, 8B, something to that effect. I'd have to double-check to be sure. But anyway, let's get a pot and start planting the pecan tree. All right, we went ahead and stuck it in a pot with some wet back-toe soil. We'll see how it does. Also wanted to give you a peek at this. Believe it or not, those are two pineapple plants that we grew from pineapple cuttings that we got at the supermarket. We actually brought home the pineapples for a luau party that we were doing, and then we just saved the tops and grew them into the plants you see there. It's an experiment, so we're not sure how well they'll do, but we figured it was worth a shot. We also are growing these, trying. These are actually avocado seeds, and they're supposed to grow around here, and you're supposed to start them in water. So we've been doing that. These green peppers are also ones that we've grown from supermarket seeds. Now, we don't always grow with supermarket seeds. For the most part, we actually buy seeds, certified ones, but occasionally we will try to grow grocery store ones just for the fun of it, and that's what those are. So they tend to be smaller. You know, it grows like any other green pepper, but the end result doesn't get too large. That's our mums from the other day, and we'll give you a quick look around the garden before we go back inside. The lantana is still blooming, which is really kind of pretty. And these are my scarlet trumpeters. They actually were planted elsewhere, but then the cats drug them on their feet and ended up in my herb bed. The herb bed's already been picked dry there, so we're going to have to reset it for next year, but might end up just leaving the scarlet trumpeter there and putting the herbs elsewhere. I think that's pretty much what we've decided to do. Aren't these pretty? I love those. And I'll show you a few of the other flowers that we have in the garden. This is the pepper patch, and the basil's in here too. We still have some Siam basil. They're the ones with these black flowers. And then we've got some scraggly little chili peppers, again from grocery store seeds that we grew, and the green peppers. You can see there's a few more that are on there. We're going to wait and see if it does anything else. There's a little one out here. See, so much tinier than the other ones, but hey, they're green peppers and they taste good, so guess that's all that matters in the end. I also wanted to show you these. Like I said, it's in the 70s and 80s still here, even though it's November. So we still have wildflowers growing everywhere, and these are the ones that happen to still be out in the ditches. You can see they're attracting some butterflies. I don't know if you can see the butterflies or not. He's kind of chilling. There you go, on the flowers.